are going to circle capital letter Rudvin. You alone. Rudvin, capital A.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, Sukrit Gautam.
Sukrit, start பண்ணு. Small A la round பண்ணு.
Number page.
Page. A page, ma. First page. First page is alligator page you will have. This page you have to take, circle all the small letter A. Rudvin alone will circle capital letter A. Rudvin அம்மா சொல்லி கொடுக்காதீங்க, அப்சர்வ் பண்ணுங்க எவ்வளவு தூரம் பண்றாங்கன்னு பார்க்கலாம்.
Okay ma'am, okay ma'am. He is identifying ma'am.
புரியல.
He can able to identify A ma'am.
He is able to identify small circle போடுறாங்களான்னு பாருங்க.
Okay ma'am.
One by one run through the sentences and then you circle small letter A alone. No need to circle the whole word, children. Only small letter A. Very good, Jason. Mitra. Madhuvanti, very deeply thinking, Hazel, are you circling A? Hazel's mom?
Ma'am, she's circling, ma'am. She's able to find it. She's doing
Yeah,
it.
very good. Fine. Parents, is there anyone? Everyone is able to find out A? Finished, Vihan. Very good, Vihan. Good boy. Let me see your book. Come on, show me your book.
Show me a book. Ma'am.
Show me your book. Closer. Be good, Vihan. Well done. Good. Very good.
Thank you.
Well done. Vihan, what color star you need?
What color star you want?
Orange, ma'am.
Orange. Always orange color, huh? Always regularly orange color. Okay?
And orange color, other yellow color.
Mitra, what? Come on, show me your book, Mitra. Circled, let me see. Very good, Mitra. What color star you need, Mitra?
Orange.
Orange, you too. Orange. Thank you. Then who else finished? Welcome, ma. Parents, please take a snap of your child holding the green color object in their hand and send it in group.
Good morning, Vanilla.
Good morning, Ma Dashwan. Good morning, Varsha. Good morning, Kavi Kartika. Varsha, enable your video, Varsha. Very good, Disha. What color star you need?
What color star you want?
Pink color, ma'am.
Pink color, ma'am. Pink. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Varsha.
Good morning, ma'am.
Let me see your dress. Very nice dress. Beautiful. Stand up.
Thank you.
Stand up. Let me see your dress.
Mom wants to see your
இங்க வந்து அந்த ட்ரீ வந்து மேல போட்டு அபிஷேக் கிட்டியா ஓகே very nice now parents please take a snap of your child along with the green color material. They have brought a green color material for top time, right?
Okay ma'am.
Next one finish. What color star you need?
நீ காமிச்சனா இப்ப நீ ஸ்டார்ட் வைக்கறங்க பாரு
Purple.
Purple.
Purple. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Keshav. Very good, Keshav. What star you need, Keshav?
I like yellow.
Yellow. Let me see.
Which color put it?
Where is yellow?
Yes, ma'am.
Yellow. Keshav. Keshav. Welcome.
Ma'am.
Gautam. Yeah, welcome. Ma. Very good, Supreet. Close your mouth. Show me your book.
Show your book, baby. எடுத்து காமி நீங்களே இப்படி திருப்பி மேம்
What? You will show,
குட் பாய்
Very good. Well done. Now come on. What color star you need?
A black purple.
Huh?
Purple star.
Purple. Is it purple?
சொல்லு இஸ் இட் பர்பிள்
Is it purple?
எஸ் சொல்லணும்
Yes or no?
எஸ் சொல்லணும்
Purple star. Okay? Happy?
தேங்க் யூ மேம் சொல்லு
Yeah, welcome. Jason.
Yes, ma'am.
What color star you need, Jason?
Red.
Huh?
Any weather.
ரெட் ரெட்
Red. Red star. Yes? Very good. Radhyani, what color star you need? I saw your book. Very good, Radhyani. What color star you need?
Purple.
Only one star. Next activity, I'll give you another star, okay? Pink. Very good. Hazel also finished. Very good, Hazel. Come on, let me see your book.
I like
You like pink star. I know you like pink star.
pink.
Purple star? Pink star.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Taruneshwar. Finish? Mahini, finish?
சொல்லு இப்ப சொல்லு
Finish, ma'am.
Show me. Let me see. Very good, Taruneshwar. What color star you need?
I need
Blue.
Blue. Blue color star for Taruneshwar.
Thank you.
Welcome. Mahini, finish?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Show me your book.
காட்டுடா and coming
Very good, Mahini. Well done. What color star you need?
What color star you need?
what color star சொல்லு
What
மேம்
color
பார்த்து
star?
சொல்லு மேம்
New dress,
color star
New dress, Mahini.
yes மேம் சொல்லு
That's what looking at the dress always. Correct,
Green.
Okay, what color star?
Green.
Green. Green. Green.
Hey.
Okay. Next is Varsha. Varsha, finish?
she's still writing ma'am
Doing now, okay. Dashwan, finish. Kavi Kartika. Finish it fast. Let's start the session. Finished, Varsha? Show me your book. Let me see.
no ma'am she dropped her pencil so that is why I couldn't read it oh finish சொல்லு
Others keep your book down. Madhvanti, very good, Madhvanti. Very good. What color star you need, Madhvanti?
என்ன கலர் what color
Purple. Purple.
Purple. Purple star.
சொல்லு மேம்
Purple. Happy? Welcome. Dashwan today. Very good, Dashwan. What you have circled? Capital letter A, Dashwan. Capital letter A.
Yes, ma'am. Capital only is circle, ma'am.
I told to circle small letters. It's okay. Let him circle afterwards, okay? What color star you need, Madhashwan?
Blue, blue.
Blue, blue, blue. Okay, by the time finish circling all the small letter A, only Varsha and then Kavi Kartika. Let's start, children. Come on. Finish. Rudvin, what did you circle, Rudvin?
Finished, ma'am.
Rudvin.
Fully. Yes. Yes.
Show me the book. Let me see. Letter A. Show me the book. தெரியவே இல்ல.
The lighter.
The words are ultaவா தெரியுது. But he has circled, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. What color star, Rudvin?
என்ன color வேணும்?
Which star வேணும்?
Red, ma'am.
Red star. Red star. For Rudvin. Varsha, very good, Varsha. Finish. What color star you need, Varsha?
Pink color.
Pink color. You also circled capital letters, Varsha?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, afterwards you circle small letters, okay? Star, pink star for Varsha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Now all of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Stand up, join your hands, close your eyes. Ananya, repeat after ma'am, Ananya, okay? It's the anthem.
Center.
You are listening.
Yeah, Bikini.
You are infinite. You are unique.
Loud.
Inside. You are the wing
Yeah,
beneath my flight.
Venus flight.
You define me,
What is I
my potential inside.
need?
Today I pledge with all my might, I shall achieve you, my potential inside. Yes, good morning everyone. Yeah, very good morning. And your parents, good morning. Good morning to ma'am. Good morning. Good morning, Visha. Yes. Okay, children, don't sit down. Come on, let's start the warm-up activity.
What's going on?
Yeah, very good, all of you. Go drink 1 glass of water and come back. Very good, Dashwan. Next. Very good, Hazel. Very good, Jason. Very good, Keshav. Next. Ah,
Here I am.
very good, Radhyarni. Next.
Here I am.
Very good, Rudven. Next.
Here I am.
Very good, Sarah joined. Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning.
Good morning. Next.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good, Ananya.
Here I am.
Very good, Ma. Next.
Here I am.
சத்தமா சொல்லுங்க.
Here I am.
Very good, Sukriv Gautam. Next.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Visha. Next.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Kavi Kartika. Next.
Oh.
Very good, Ma Mahilini. Next.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Mitra. Next.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Taruneshwar. Next.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Varsha. Next.
Sollu.
Hello, ma'am.
Very good, Vihan. Next.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Madhvanti. Children, clap hands for yourself. Everyone is present today. Clap hands for yourself. A loud clap. Come on, fast and loud clap, everyone. Very good. No absentees today. Very good. Okay, children. You know what is the day today? What we are going to celebrate today? What are we going to celebrate? Huh? Very good, Dashwan. Today is Green Day. Before that, shall we finish our calendar activity? Come on, bring your calendar. What is the date today? Who knows what is the date today? Anyone? Yesterday was 19. Today is 2020. Come on, take your calendar. Color the date 2020. Come on. 2020 here. 2020. To 2020. And what is the day, children? Yesterday was Monday. Today is
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Very good.
learning mean interactive and engaging.
Color it first.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma.
Ma'am.
Finish. Very good.
Finish, ma'am.
Well done.
Good year, Tanti. Finish, miss. Finish. Finish.
Finish, huh? Okay, I'm going to show you a rhyme, okay? Days of the week rhyme, okay? Let me show you 1 minute.
Hi, kids. Here is a fun song to help you learn the days of the week. Mother Hen is going to sing it for us. Let's listen. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. Now, repeat after Mother Hen. Here we go. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. Great job. Now, let's sing it quietly. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. Well done. Now, let's try it really loud. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. Fantastic. Now, let's sing it really fast. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week.
Yes, did you all enjoy the rhyme, children? Did you all enjoy the rhyme? What was the rhyme about?
Yes.
What was in the rhyme? What was in the rhyme? What did the mother hen sing? What did she sing? Days of the week. Very good. Days of the week. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And now let's start our celebration. All of you have brought your materials, right? All of you have brought your materials, green color objects with you. Before that, let me show you your board. See here, look at the board at the back of ma'am. Can you see all the green color materials here? Is it visible for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see what are there in the board? What are there in the board, children? What is there?
Magic, balloon,
Balloon,
yes,
then others also can join. Come on. What is there in the board? Find out. What is there, Hazel? Balloon. Capsicum. Okay, capsicum. Then dress, leaf, and then you have coconut, peas, everything. Okay. Peas also is there. Okay. Apart from that, what is this? What is this? Alligator. Green color. Alligator. Is all of you mute? Yeah, alligator. Next is this one. What is it? Can anyone tell me what is this? What is it? Someone tell me what is this? Who knows? Reticuli. Who's that reticuli? Grasshopper. Cricket. Yeah, very good. Cricket, grasshopper, whatever it is. See here, green color. Say hi. They have all come to visit you, right? Say hi. Hi, grasshopper. Yeah, okay. Next is. Who's this? Yes? Who's this? Parrot. Say hi to parrot. Hi, parrot. Hi. Green color. Parrot. Very good. Okay. Next is. Should not be scared. Okay. What is it? What is it? Frog. Very good. Green color. Frog. Hi. Hi, children. Hi, everyone. Next is. What is this? This is a vegetable. What is this? Huh? What is it? Cabbage. Cabbage. Okay. Cabbage is a vegetable. Green color. Cabbage. Okay. And then. What is it? Green color. What is it? Huh? What? Vendaka. Lady's finger. Very good. Lady's finger. Well done, children. No vendaka and all. Okay. Lady's finger. Whenever you are free at home, ask your mama to say the name of vegetables in English. No vendaka, no katrika, no takali, not like that. Okay? Ask your mama, what is it in English? Or else ask your daddy also. What is it in English? English la enna solluvom daddy? English la enna solluvom mummy? Like that you have to ask. And then what is this? See here. What is it? It is very spicy. What is it? Yeah, green chili. Very good, Hazel. Green chili. And then this is a fruit. What fruit is this? What fruit will be green in color? Fruit. What is it? Custard apple. Custard apple. Okay. So all these are the green color objects which ma'am brought. Okay. Now we are going to see what are all the objects you have brought. Okay. Shall we start the session? Come on, all of you mute yourself. First, who is going to say? It's going to be Dashwan. Dashwan.
Dashwan 2 days cooperative பண்ண மாட்டறேன் மேம் ஏதாவது சொல்லுங்க மேம் அவனே.
Why Dashwan? What happened to Dashwan? Complaint பண்ண கூடாது. Why? Dashwan, good boy, no Dashwan? Okay, Dashwan's mom, let him calm down. I'll ask him afterwards. Okay, next is Vihan. Vihan.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, speak about your toy. Parents, don't forget, take a snap of the material what they have and send it in group. We'll upload it in Facebook, okay?
Wait. சொல்லு.
Come on, Vihan.
அங்க பாரு மேம் பாரு. சரி ஓகே மேம் பாரு.
Hi, everyone. You should say. Come on. My name is Vihan. What? How you should say? You see here. Mom is going to talk about a vegetable. All of you mute yourself. First of all, mute yourself. I'll tell you how to speak about your object, okay? First of all, you should say, hi everyone or hello friends, like that. My name is Vanilla and I am going to talk about lady's finger. Like that, you have to introduce yourself. Then only you have to talk, children. Okay? Come on, Viha, now you try.
Hello, ma'am. Hi, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about
Sound up. Lead.
Look here, first sit properly, sit straight. Look at mom.
Sit straight. Lead properly.
just
Hmm.
Some.
from
Show the leaf to everyone. Show the leaf to everyone.
Calm.
Look here. Like that you have to show.
to be protected.
From.
Protected bacteria and virus. Planting is good for everyone.
Good for everyone. Bacteria, virus, good for everyone. Only these 3 lines I heard. Vihan, you have such a clean pronunciation. Why don't you speak? Vihan. Sorry, Vihan, look here. Look here, Vihan. Vihan, ma'am பாருங்க first. Look here. என்ன ஸ்டார் வேணும் சொல்லுங்க. I'll give you the star, then you talk with your mama. Orange star. Correcta?
B, ma'am.
Huh?
B.
What?
B.
Green. Green.
Stars he won, seems, ma'am.
3 stars. Okay, what color you say? I'll give you 3 stars.
Orange color, yellow color, green color.
Appa, no more orange. Yellow color, green color. Happy? 3 stars. Very good. Thank you, Vihan. Vihan has spoken about green leaves. That is neem leaves. Okay. Next is Hazel. Hazel, thank you, Vihan. Hazel, come on.
Say hi, friends.
Hey, what is that, Hazel?
Tell us, ma'am.
What is that?
Say hi, friends. Hey.
Okay, come on, Hazel. Fast. Everyone is waiting. All your friends are looking at you. Come on.
Hi, friends.
Start.
Hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
My name is Hazel. Come.
Taruneshwar, mute yourself, ma.
Hi, friends. My name is Hazel. Come on, start. Start, Hazel.
I'll give you star, Hazel. Come on. Speak about your toy.
Come.
You don't want star? Don't want star? Ice cream?
You want star or not? See, ma'am is giving me star. Come. Start now. Say, hi, friends. Okay. Say, hello, friends. Say,
Amma,
okay, start then. Start.
Start.
oh, friends.
Hmm.
Okay, friends. Next.
My name is Aiden. I am. This is my green ball.
Hmm.
This is I love you, green ball. I play good food of bye. Good you bye.
I can't understand your language, Hazel. I love green ball. I like to play with my ball. Very good. 2 sentences. Somehow you managed to speak. Very good, children. Clap hands for Hazel. Hazel and Vihan. Very good. Well done. Thank you, Hazel. Thank you so much. Next is Visha. Visha.
Hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
Hmm.
My name is Visha Sai.
My name is Vita Tai.
Hmm.
Today, green day. I'm going to talk about Kapoli.
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Kapoli.
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Kapoli.
சரி, சொல்லு.
Good for it.
It kills
It will
bacteria.
bacteria.
It
Thank you.
is good for cold.
Good. Thank Thank you.
Thank you.
Visha's dad, every sentences you completed, but the final blow was by Visha. Thank you. Very good, Visha. Somehow you tried to say. Very good. Good. What is that, Visha? Show to your friends. Come on. Show it to all of your friends.
Karpura
Yeah, it is a herb, right? Yeah, it is a herb, Karpuravalli, right? It is good for.
cold.
What is it good for?
எதுக்கு
Cold.
நல்லது?
Cold na என்னம்மா Visha? What is cold?
Helly.
Chilli பிடிச்சிருக்கிறதா? Very good, Visha. Thank you, children. Clap hands for Visha. If you clap hands only, then they will also encourage you. Come on, all of you clap hands. Very good, Visha. Thank you so much. Next is Jason. Jason.
No, what say it?
Sure. Aslan சொல்லு.
Hmm.
What say it?
Yeah, okay. You can say it.
Okay.
Hi.
Ah.
Hi, ma'am.
Hmm.
Hi, all my friends.
Today is.
Today is Green Day Boy.
Green day போதும். அதுக்கப்புறம்.
I talked about colorful balloons.
அப்புறம்.
I roll my way green balloon. It's a little up inside. No, tight car. And then go up in the tie. And then pop in fan. And then car fell down, Mama.
Jason, it will go high up in the sky, then it will come down.
Yes.
Very, yeah.
And car comes
said
down.
Okay, what will happen if you prick that balloon with the
Only he
pin?
said, ma'am, it goes high up in the sky and pop
Yeah.
near fan and come down.
Oh, so sweet, Jason.
Wait.
Sorry, Jason, I didn't hear it properly. Very nice explanation. Thank you, Kanna, Jason. Very good. Clap hands for Jason, everyone. Okay, what color star shall I give you?
And I need red and pink.
Red and pink. Red and pink. Visha, I forgot to give you star. What color star you need, Visha?
Blue cat.
Blue color star for Visha. Okay?
Thank you,
Yeah, welcome, ma. Next is Varsha. Varsha.
Hi, ma'am. My name is Varsha.
Mm.
Watering can.
This is
Mm.
This watering can.
Mm.
I water plants.
And water plants.
Water plants. Daily.
Daily water plants.
Daily in my garden.
Daily in my garden.
Mm.
Everyone
Lord receiver.
loves his favorite.
Say loudly.
Okay, what will you do with that, Varsha?
Bird.
Varsha, what will you do with that? What will you pour inside that can? What will you pour?
What will you put inside it?
Water.
Water. And then how will you plant? How will you pour water to the plants? Show me how will you do? How the water will come out?
How the water
How
will
the
come
water
out?
will come out? எப்படி water வெளியில வரும்? Where it will come out?
How will you pour and where it will come
You
out?
have lot of holes. See there, you have lot of holes there, right? Yeah, it is having a shower like hole, right? Through the holes only the water will come out.
Show it, ma'am. Show
Can
it,
you
ma'am.
see? Yeah, through that only water comes out. Very good, Varsha. Thank you, Varsha. Clap hands for Varsha, everyone. Very good. What color star you need, Varsha?
Pink.
Pink. Pink star for Varsha.
Hello.
Welcome. Okay, next is Keshav. Keshav.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Keshav.
Hi, friends. My name is Kesabu. I study in junior KG. Today is Green Day. I had Dinkaya's coconut tea coconut food. I like to eat coconut. See you. Bye bye.
Very good, Keshav. Clap hands for Keshav, all of you. Well done, coconut tree. Well done. Thank you, Keshav. What color star you need?
I like pink.
Pink star. Pink star for Keshav.
See you, man.
Yeah, thank you, Keshav. Okay, next is Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti. Come on fast, Madhuvanti. Look here and speak. I'm going to talk about
My favorite color is green.
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 That's it.
Beans.
Today is green day.
Green day.
Today is
Green.
What is that? Green. What is that?
Beans.
Green beans. Okay, very good. Well done. Thank you, Madhuvanti. That's it.
Thank you for the
Very good. That's it. அவ்வளவுதானா? அவ்வளவுதானா? Okay. Good, ma, Madhuvanti. Clap hands for Madhuvanti, everyone. Very good, Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti, what star you need? Green. What star, ma?
சொல்லுங்க.
Green star for Madhuvanti. Okay. Thank you, Madhuvanti. Next is Taruneshwar. Taruneshwar.
சொல்லு. ஒன்று எடுத்துக்கோ இதை பிடிச்சிக்கோ. Hi everyone சொல்லு.
Hi everyone. I am Tanisha. What are you talking about?
Green chilli.
Green chili.
காட்டு நான் கிட்ட காட்டு.
Green chili.
Goes on
Because
plant.
that.
அப்புறம் it is
It is
அங்க மேம் பார்த்து.
my chutney.
Huh?
It is chutney.
Huh? What?
நீ சொல்லு.
Chutney.
You use it in chutney, Okay. Fine. Next. Come on. Good. Next.
It's very spicy.
Spicy. Can you eat green chili? Will you eat green chili? Will you eat it? Why? Yes, சாப்பிட மாட்டீங்க. Why? ஏமா?
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Why, Taruneshwar?
Spicy சொல்லு.
Spicy, that's it. You can't eat green chili raw, right? It's very spicy. Okay. Thank you, Taruneshwar. Very good. Children, clap hands for Taruneshwar. What color star you need, Taruneshwar? What? Red. Okay.
I am red.
Red. Okay. Okay. Next is Mahini. Mahini.
சொல்லுடா. Okay.
Come on. Don't close your face. Come on.
Okay, வெச்சு சொல்லுடா.
Start
பண்ணு அப்பலாம் சர்ப்ரைஸ்.
Hello, everyone.
வரும்போது சர்ப்ரைஸ் பண்ண மாட்டேன் பின்னாடி. அம்மா வரும்போது.
Star is waiting for you. Come on. You want star? Star வேணுமா வேண்டாமா? Come on. Speak first.
சீக்கிரம். சாக்லேட் ரெடியா இருக்குங்க பாரு. இது கொடுத்தா சாக்லேட் ஓபன் பண்ணிடுவோம். கடிக்காத வாயில கடிக்காத. பாப்பா வலிக்கும். பாப்பா சொல்லு. பீச் போலாம். சொல்லு. சொல்லு பீச். பாப்பா சொல்லு.
Hi everyone. Say hi everyone.
Hello சொல்லுமா.
இருங்க. Wait. She'll speak. Mildly ma'am பாருங்க. Come on, look at ma'am.
மேம் பாருங்க.
இப்ப பேசுங்க மைலினி. குட் கேர்ள். ஹாய் எவ்ரிவன் சொல்லுங்க.
சொல்லுங்க.
மகிழ் மகிழ் அவன் நிஜமா
சொல்லுங்க. சொல்லுங்க. ஹலோ. குட் மார்னிங் மேம் சொல்லு. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மேம்க்கு குட் மார்னிங் மேம் சொல்லு.
பாப்பா
சரி வாட் இஸ் திஸ்?
மகிழ்
வாட் இஸ் திஸ்?
ஓகே, வாட் இஸ் தட்? வாட் இஸ் தட் யூ ஆர் ஹேவிங்? என்ன வச்சிருக்கீங்க கையில? வாட் இஸ் தட்? வாட் இஸ் தட்?
மகிழ் அது சாக்லேட்.
Is it a car? Car அது. What is that?
What is that?
Tree. What tree is that? என்ன tree அது? What tree is that?
Leaf.
Leaves tree. Leaves tree.
சொல்லு
What color?
சொல்லு ஹலோ மேம்ல இருந்து நீ ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணு.
Hello, ma'am. I am Nagini. Today I talk about my cat.
Okay.
My tree.
ஏதோ ஒன்னு பிளான் சொல்லு.
What does it give you?
English
சொல்லு.
green color.
Okay.
ஓகே ட்ரீஸ் அண்ட் பிளான்ட்ஸ் சொல்லு. சொல்லுமா அடுத்து.
What does it give you?
ப்ளீஸ் கிவ்ஸ்.
This is to breathe.
Breathe to your
To you?
என்ன?
Nose.
Nose. சரி.
ஓகே அடுத்து சொல்லு.
Next.
Your blood grow plants and cities. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. You are able to speak so sweetly. Then why don't you speak, my Lily? Trees are good for your health.
Okay.
Is that it you wanted to say, or it gives us oxygen? Very good, Mylini. Anyway, you attempted it very well. Clap hands for Mylini, everyone. Very good. Okay, what color star you need?
என்ன color star?
What color star?
Green.
Green. Okay.
Green itself. Okay, green star for Mylini. Very good. Thank you, Kana. Okay, next is Sukriv Gautam. Sukriv Gautam, finish your chocolate, okay? Sukriv Gautam.
உனக்கும் தருவாங்க. சரி சொல்லு மேம். ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் சொல்லுங்க.
Hi, friends.
Mm.
எங்க போன?
I am Sukriv.
எங்க போன இப்போ?
நான் எங்கே போல வாஷ்ரூம் போல. நீ சொல்லு.
Achacha, you have lot of time to talk with your mama. Come on, speak with ma'am. நிறைய டைம் இருக்கு மம்மி கிட்ட பேச. மேம் கிட்ட பேசுங்க. Come on.
ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் சொல்லு.
Hi, friends.
ம்.
சொல்லுங்க.
Where?
I am Sukriv. உங்க பேர் இன்ட்ரோ듀ce பண்ணிட்டு சரி அப்படி இல்லாட்டி you can say this. What is this?
Hey, what is that? Wow. What is that? Right?
சொல்லு மேம் சொல்லு. What is this Sukriv?
Capsicum.
Vegetable. This is capsicum vegetable. First வந்து சொல்லுங்க.
Capsicum vegetable.
Show the capsicum vegetable.
Green.
What color is it? Sukri, what color is it? Green in color. Next.
நெக்ஸ்ட் இத வச்சு என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க பேபி? அதெல்லாம் சொல்லுங்க.
அது வச்சு பனீர் மசாலா ஈட் சப்பாத்தி
தொட்டு சாப்பிடலாமா? What to do with this naughty boy? Sukri Gautam. Paneer masala, all that you eat. Now I am feeling hungry. மாமுக்கு பசி எடுக்குது இப்ப நீ சொன்னதை கேட்டு.
I like to eat in Englishல சொல்லு பேபி. சொல்லி கொடுத்ததெல்லாம் ப்ளீஸ் பேபி.
I like to eat capsicum.
ஏன் உனக்கு capsicum பிடிக்கும்? You will get strong. அதெல்லாம் சொல்லு மேம். சத்தமா பேசுங்க. சத்தமா. மேம் பார்த்து பேசு. ப்ளீஸ் பேபி. சத்தமா பேசுங்க. Bad boy Sukri ma'am திட்ட போறாங்க.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Very good, Sukri Gautam. Only thing you made is you made me hungry. Thank you so much. Okay, send his audio what he is speaking to me. Okay, this is for observation.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Sukri. What color star you need? Red color star தான் வேணும். Okay. Welcome. Okay, next is Mitra. Fast, come on, Mitra.
Hi friends.
My name
Hmm.
My name is Mitra. This is capsicum. Jealous immunity. Hot. So eat capsicum. Thank you.
Well done. Very clearly spoken. Well done, Mitra. Okay, what color star you need, Mitra? என்ன கலர் ஸ்டார் வேணும் மித்ரா? What color? White, silver.
அப்ப மேம் வாங்கிட்டு வாங்க. மேம்
Okay,
வாங்கிட்டு வாங்க.
very good. Okay, thank you. Okay, next is Ananya.
வெச்சுக்கோ உனக்கு.
Ananya.
Hi, ma'am. Hi.
Hi, ma'am. Yes, sir.
I am Ananya.
Yeah, Ananya. Yes. Me. Yeah. Nancy.
Drumstickers?
Nancy. Beautiful.
Okay. Leaves taste எப்படி இருக்கும்?
Kasataku.
Bitter taste சொல்லு.
Bitter
taste. Drumstick எப்படி இருக்கும்?
Yummy taste. Okay. Very good, Ananya. Next, that's it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Ananya. Well done. What color star you need?
What color star?
What color star you need?
Purple.
Purple. Always purple. Why? Purple. Okay. Next is Radhyani. Welcome, Kana. Radhyani. Welcome.
Hi, ma'am.
Come on, fast.
I'm ready.
I tell me.
Talk about
I will talk about
my favorite umbrella.
favorite umbrella.
And this is green color.
This is green color. Thank you.
This is umbrella. This is green color. Thank you. Very smart. 2 sentences correctly. Okay. What color star you need?
Purple.
What color star?
Purple.
Purple. Okay. When will you use umbrella? Purple star. Okay. When will you use umbrella? When will you use umbrella? எப்ப யூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க?
When it is raining.
Raining. When it is raining, we'll use umbrella. Okay. Thank you, Radhyani. Next is Sarah.
Hello.
Hello friends.
Hello, friends.
My name is Sarah.
My name is Sarah.
I'm going to talk about
I want to talk about
green car.
green car.
I play with my car.
My play with the car.
My car goes very fast.
My car very
My car goes very fast. I love my car. Thank you, sir. I love
You like your car? Like your car, Sarah?
I love my car.
Very good. Well done, Sarah. Okay, what color star you need?
Sarah, what color star?
Manjago. Red, purple, white.
Red.
Pura una.
Acho. Red, purple, white. What is it? Yeah. Very good girl, Sarah. Well done. Okay. Next is Sarah finished. Kavi Karthika. Kavi Karthika is there?
My name is Kavi Karthika.
Hmm.
I'm talking about Green parrot.
Wow, very nice parrot. Beautiful parrot.
It is very beautiful.
Ah.
One tongue,
One tongue,
2 eyes,
two eyes,
and one long.
one long time. Thank you.
Wow, very nice. For this, your mama prepared a parrot, huh? Very good. Kavi Kartika's mom. Thank you so much. Well done. Take a snap of it along with Kavi Kartika and send it in group. Okay. Parents, don't forget to send the snapshot of your child to upload it in Facebook. And tomorrow is holiday. Bakrid holiday. Okay. Don't forget that. Thanks, children. Thank you so much. You have all performed very well. Thanks for your cooperation. See you day after tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Bye everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Yeah, bye. Kavi Kartika star enna venum Kavi Kartikaku? Kavi Kartika. என்ன ஸ்டார் வேணும்? பர்பிள் ஸ்டார். அப்புறம் கிரீன் கலரா? கிரீன் கலர். ஹாப்பியா? எஸ். Very good. Thank you, Kavi Kartika. Bye. Mahilini, bye, Mahilini. Dashwan.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, bye. Dashwan. Kavi Kartika, bye. You can leave, ma. Dashwan. Dashwan Velan.